I like working with very young actors kasi siyempre kami ni Eric, di ba? Medyo may edad na ng konti. Kaya isang matanda.
Mature.
But then it's always nice to work with actors na talagang ang daming good ideas na contribute.
Right.
Ganyan klaseng producers si Gerald. So, I mean, he sets out everything talaga na pulido at maganda yung mga ideas. At mapahimik rin, maganda na, nag-director rin siya. So, I'm really happy na nag-start na siya mag-produce kasi yun naman ang gusto natin ngayon, di ba? Mag-produce tayo ng mas maraming pelikula together. So, it's all about collaboration now. Di ba? So,
and just last week, you had a partnership also.
Yes. I mean, sa akin naman talaga, syempre, like ako, si Mother, kasi Mother really, talagang syempre, kahit hindi na kumikita yung pelikula, produce ko rin ang produce niya. Diba? So akin, siguro, I'm just doing my part. At natuwa naman ako na, kasama ko si Gerald, kasama ko si Coco. So, it's gonna be happy events, diba, for the industry. Diba, makapagbigay tayo ng maraming trabaho sa industry. Makatulong, bukan naman maambag namin sa industry today. So I'm just happy na Gerald is in for the ride, and we hope this is successful for us para dumami pa ng dumami ng gawin namin.
Okay. Natalie?
Natalie po, Philippine Star. My first question is for Gerald. As ito na yung sinasabi nilang producers era po. So, what kind of projects pa are you looking for? What do you have in mind?
Well, meron na kami mga niluluto na for next year sana. Ang pinaka-main focus namin talaga is itong Reconnect is makapagbigay kami ng magandang first project namin together. I really believe in the project. It's a Christmas movie, swak po siya sa panahon. It's about things na nangyayari sa bansa natin. So, yun yung pinaka-main focus. And at the same time, like I said kanina, I'm trying to learn as much as I can. Lahat na matututunan ko as a producer. But for next year, like kanina lang, me and isang producer ko, we were even talking about another project na parang nakaka-excite. And these are the projects na gusto kong gawin. And these are the projects that I want to be part of kasi it's out of the box. Kaya alam niyo na po yung reality na hindi sila basta-basta nag-produce. So it's a very big privilege for me na in-open up this yung ganitong partnership.
Or in terms of stories, anong
Stories? Well, you know, like I always say, sana lang lagi po may mauuwi yung audience in terms of social awareness. Like, sana may matututunan sila. Or may for example, yung teleserye ko po, Instance of the Father. It's about scamming. As we speak, ang dami po nangyayari yan. So, I just feel more motivated to do the project. Kahit gano'n na kapagod, kahit gano'n na sobrang hirap. I just know kasi, tulad yan, galing ko sa Cebu ako. Ang dami kong mulapit sa akin, na-scam sila, na-relate sila dun sa nangyari, na nabibigyan ng awareness for yung Pilipinas. That's the kind of projects I want to do. Sana po lagi may social awareness at sana may matututunan yung audience. And even here sa Reconnect, paglabas po rin ng sinihan, dami nilang mga tanong about life, about the internet, about social media, about the status of their family, their relationships. Kaya nga po Reconnect. Malalaman niyo din naman yan. Actually, starting today, moving forward, marami pong lalabas na balita about the movie. So,
It's a star-studded project.
super. Ganda po yung cast natin.
Ilan lahat ng total number of celebrities yun?
The Legazpis, si Mel Padilla, si Andrea, Charlie Dizon,
The Legazpi family.
the Legazpi family, Miss Gloria Diaz. It's a star-studded. Diba? I never thought paglabas ko po ng PBB, uupo ako dito as a producer ever. Ganon din nung nag-direct po ako. So, I'm just taking every blessing and opportunity na binibigay sa akin. I'm just trying to do my best.
Okay. Natalie, another question?
Curious lang ako talaga doon kasi daming, a lot of things are going on in your life, parang directing, producing, at just acting talaga, all out na ngayon. sa different facets of your life. Pero ano bang, hiramin ko yung word ni Bobby, turning point. Ano ba na, we need to feel, ano ba, hindi naman torture life or whatever crisis, pero meron bang
Turning point?
yeah. You wanted to do more.
Yeah, sometimes, like, kumbaga, when you're handing opportunities, kumbaga, huwag mong sayangin. It's not really like decide ako I want to produce. It's just, again, napag-usapan lang namin and na-open up yung opportunity sa akin. And I'm taking this opportunity to learn. So, what siyang turning point, but I see it as a way na the fact na na-open up yung opportunity sa akin, may ibig sabihin yan. So, I'll grab it, learn as much as possible. At the same time, makapagtingin ng trabaho. Kanina po nakita niyo sa EVP ko na very humble resort lang. Iba yung may gym, yung pakiramdam na nakabigay ka ng trabaho. So, yun siguro yung turning point para sa akin.
Let's switch microphones, Cheryl. Ito mas ayos. Natalie, good?
Thank you.
Thank you, Natalie. Siguro yung Lula naman this time.
Good afternoon. Kay Don muna. Don kasi wala na nga si Mother, di ba? Ikaw focus ka sa reality. Medyo iba lang. Si Rosel naman sa Regal. Kumusta kayo ngayon? Dahil na, pareho pa kayo nag-entry sa PhilFest. Kumusta ang pagtapatan ng reality at ang Regal?
Una sa lahat, syempre gusto natin supportan ang lahat ng pelikulang Pilipino. I mean, sana panoorin na lahat ng pelikula sa PhilFest. Diba? Para maging makundat ang industry ulit. Mga younger audience, mga younger generations, may madatnan pa ng movie industry. Diba? So, I mean, it's not a competition. It's just about really producing more, makapagbigay ng trabaho sa mas nakakaraming sa industriya, and then makagawa ng magagandang proyekto para ipagmalaki natin ang gawang Pilipino. Diba? Not just in the Philippines, kundi sa abroad. So, happy tayo na Regal produce Star, CNA, diba? Iba-ibang tama, diba? Data, diba?
Para supportahan kayo.
Dito supportahan kami.
Andito sila kahapon, kahit ako isang araw.
I mean, maganda naman talaga ang mga producers. We should support each other. Para maganda. I mean, walang inditan, diba, fair competition, at sana nga, ang wish natin talaga supportan ng Pilipino ang lalabas at ang darating na Philippines.
Thank you, Don. Kay Gerald, may questions na ako. Yun na, nakita kanina sa ABP mo yung prepare.
we want to give everyone a good show and yung value for money nandiyan. So, yan, reconnect.
So, hindi ka ba, Gerald, pwede magsalita about sa reconnection na sinatanong?
Basta